Let's dive right into this explainer and build your step-by-step blueprint for a high-paying, AI-proof job.
Are you terrified AI might steal your job? Or are you totally ready to adapt and win?
What if AI actually helped you land remote work paying millions, just like one guy from Bihar?
But here's the catch. Your biggest hurdle is figuring out how to bypass those corporate gatekeeping bots.
Meet the ultimate villain, the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. It's an AI layer literally filtering you out.
Companies get flooded with applications, and these ruthless ATS bots, they instantly delete 99% of them.
So stop spamming one generic resume. The secret is sending laser-focused, AI-customized resumes to your top matches.
You need to transform AI from a terrifying job stealer into your own personalized, totally tireless hunting agent.
We'll mix parameters like fully remote and no coding to cook up an incredibly powerful Claude prompt.
Just connect Claude to Indeed, drop in your resume, and let it aggressively search multiple keywords simultaneously.
You can even grant the AI browser access, letting it literally take the wheel on LinkedIn.
This strategy uncovers massive hidden gems, like a crazy high-paying head of AI role in North America.
To completely crush that ATS villain, we have the AI rewrite your resume for those exact roles.
Then hey, strict rule here. You must explicitly command the AI to never, ever fabricate your experience.
Boom! The AI instantly generates perfectly optimized PDF resumes, custom cover letters, and highly tailored cold emails.
Okay, ready to scale this up? Let's expand this automated search across the entire global internet.
We pivot to Perplexity. It acts like a master orchestrator, accessing multiple AI models all at once.
Feed it those identical parameters, but instruct it to strictly target decently funded, highly secure companies.
Finally, just ask Perplexity to build you a one-button daily tracker app for your ongoing hunt.
Every single day, one click refreshes that deep research to find you fresh, 24-hour remote job listings.
Say goodbye to the manual grind for good. The AI is doing all the heavy lifting now.
So, are you just surviving the AI wave or commanding it to build your dream career?